Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this look but without foundation. I have already moisturized my face. I'm going ahead with this Swiss Beauty primer. This gives a glow from within kind of a look. Going ahead with this Dot and Key tinted sunscreen. Since the day I bought this, I have been loving this and continuously using this. The natural glow that it gives is just insane. We'll quickly fill the brows. Going ahead with my favorite concealer of all times, it is the Fit Me concealer. I'm just going to conceal the problem areas of my face where I have a bit of darkness and just going to highlight some of the high points. Now just going to blend everything all together. Take your little sweet time to blend the concealer. For me, concealer around the eyes is little is more. Just going to pat it into the skin. This is a very minimal look, so I'm going to keep it very basic and minimal and less products. Going to use this Insight blusher. This is a very pigmented. It gives a very natural flush of color on your cheeks. When you're using this blush, be very gentle because this is very pigmented, because you don't want to deposit more of color at one go. Going ahead with this Mars setting powder, I'm not bronzing the face. So just going to pat the powder into the face. Don't forget to pat the powder into the skin where you get the smile lines so that your makeup can last long. With the help of the setting powder, I'm just going to set the complete face because the temperature is high and the weather is really hot and humid. I'm going with basic kohl eyes. I'm using this kajal by Zudio, which is very jet black. This basic kohl eyes always reminds me of the teenage time because this was the makeup we used to do. Don't forget to apply the kajal on your upper lash line as well. It makes a huge difference the way your eyes look. We'll quickly apply some mascara for that extra volume on the lashes. You should try this hack by applying some highlighter on the inner corners. Going ahead with the most viral product over the internet, it is the Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tint. I'm going ahead with a very soft ombre kind of lips, and all the products are listed down below in the description box with the shades. I'm going ahead with a lip balm on top. If you want, you can use a gloss also. I wanted to add some glow and extra hydration. The look is all complete, adding in some jhumkas and also adding bindi.